So guest posting, this is a pretty common way of getting backlinks, or at least it was in the past, but this is mattcutts.com. He's the head of Google's web spam team. It's from January 2014. Basically writes that you probably should stop guest blogging as a way to gain links in 2014. And what he's talking about is not all guest blogging, but the idea of buying guest blogging spots, using it as a really spammy way of getting backlinks, and he's done 4 videos on it so far, so he's really trying to get people to stop. Now, if you look at a site called Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com, and you type in "I will post your article," you can sometimes find these gigs for $5 where people basically will post anything if you pay them $5. These are the types of guest posts that he's telling people not to do, that these people are going to be penalized for creating artificial links. And then you can also use Twitter as a way to find guest posts, but again, this is a very spammy practice, and this is another type of idea that he's telling people not to get involved with. The best way to do it is with high quality blogs, and what he's saying here is, I'm not trying to throw the baby out with the bathwater. There are still many reasons to do guest blogging, especially if it's high quality multi-author blogs, and he actually cites a website called Boing Boing. If you're guest posting, there's going to be requirements on basically every blog that you try to do this on. This is Tim Ferriss's 4-Hour Work Week. You want to pay attention to these. They put these here for a reason, and even if you are a great writer and you have awesome material, if you don't follow whatever rules they've put in place here, sometimes they won't accept it, even if it's a great article. Be sure to check out the guest post requirements before you go and write any guest posts.